and add block. Give some title. Yeah. So now you can either copy from Markdown help a format of the image.
Just take the format of the image down, it's there somewhere.
Yeah.
Complete thing or this much?
Actually, you know what? This is also not going to work. Go down. Go down. Where is the HTML code demo here? Go up. Yeah, this custom HTML thing, right? So copy any tag from here.
Any tag.
Copy the UL tag. Yeah, just copy the UL tag.
This much fully.
Yeah, this much is fine. Yeah, paste it there. Yeah, now change UL to IMG. And instead of style, say SRC. Now provide quotes here. 2 quotes. Yeah. Space. Not inside the quotes, outside the quotes. Put a forward slash.
Forward slash.
No, the other one. Yeah. And end the tag. The closing bracket. Yeah. And now paste the URL that is there in the Google Drive.
You already copied it, Anupama.
Now again I copied that. No.
Yeah, okay.
Markdown.
Yeah. And remove this whole drive link thing and USB all. Yeah, keep that much. Yeah, remove this. And here add slash.
Again.
Yeah, preview. Yeah. So this should be working.
No, Dhalji, it is not working.
Okay, wait.
No, that day you said preview is for a PDF.
Oh, yeah.
It is view.
No, it's not even view. Just give me 1 second. That will simplify this whole process for you. Probably we need to add this into our Markdown help as well. Just give me 1 second. GitHub. SRC. Yeah. So this is the source code that you can use. I'm pasting it here. You can save it in some text file so that it's easier for you to understand how this works.
Can I? Oh.
Yeah, I'll paste it in the chat. Yeah. So here, what you just do is uh, provide a proper alt tag and replace this /d. After /d, there is an ID. You can see that ID. Yeah, replace this ID with the one that you have in your Google Drive image. So
Actually, what is this one, G?
this is a proper image tag. What is happening with Google content is that somehow that is not coming in Markdown. So you have to just take this ID from here and
Replace
replace
it here.
it directly. Yeah. So now it is coming, and whatever is the alt content you want to provide, provide the alt content. Yeah. So this will be
Hey, where is
What
the
is this
pattern in
L?
mathematics? Where is that coming? Patterns in mathematics image. I can't see in the preview.
Here.
so no, you have to say proper the beauty of math patterns and
No,
things
it's
like
not
that.
coming.
No, that is not going to come.
Oh, okay.
That is for browser to know that what this image is about.
Okay.
And in case somebody is using a screen reader or a voice based reader, then the voice reader will read out the alt tag.
Okay.
So tomorrow, if we want to provide this content to Krishna, then Krishna will know what is this image about based on the alt tag.
What is this LH3, double G?
That is the Google format for serving images from Drive.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, moving forward, I think Shravanji initially said that we should use blob format for storage. That time, it was not very clear that he meant blob so that images also automatically get stored in the content. But once he is back, I will work with his team to see if we can just use that. That way, all these things will become secondary.
Double G, so we will save this, no?
Yeah, just save this.
I saved it, Anupama. I have put it in VS Code. We can save it in a text file later.
Yeah, save it in text file and just replace the ID and alt anytime you have to add an image.
Okay.
This is how we added it in the experiential workshop. So whatever was out that day came in this way. We added all the images
Then,
in Google Drive.
Dhawal, this whole process it's not changing, right? Where they will send a lesson, we have to extract the images, we have to convert them into PNG, we have to put them in the Google Drive, then get the link and put it here.
For now, it is going to be like that. Later, we will optimize that. But yeah, it's not going to change while you are working on it for foreseeable lessons.
Okay.
Double G, is it the same adding image URL here?
So here you don't need to specify the image tag. Just
This is a
specify the
thumbnail.
SRC content.
This is the thumbnail thing, Anupama.
Correct.
This is
Thumbnail.
where
So try and provide that SRC content here. Remove all the other things. Just keep the URL within SRC. Starting with HTTPS.
remove everything. Remove that HTML stuff from here. Only the link should be there, Anupama.
Yeah, HTTPS link should be there.
This much?
No, including the ID.
Till last
Yeah,
double quotes, yeah. No, remaining thing you have to remove. What are you doing?
What am I? I'm not able to understand.
Inside this SRC quote, whatever
Hey,
is there.
Anupama, remove everything else except that HTTPS link. That whole link you keep it. Remove everything else. Yeah, everything.
Remove
The
this.
last tag also everything.
Remove this.
Remove that double quotes also.
Yeah, and
It
remove
is
the
a
double
plain
quotes.
link. That's all.
Sorry.
Last double quote. Yeah.
Yeah, it picked it up. So basically, for images, Google Drive is currently serving using this format.
Very nice, Dhavalji. This we didn't know the link image URL.
Yeah.
Now it is clear. So that blob thing I didn't understand, Dhavalji.
Blob allows us to store data, including images directly, but there are consequences of that. So we will have to see what happens with that, because if there are large images and things like that, then our database might get into problems, and also we'll have to see what is the thing that Shravanji has in his mind, and then go ahead with that approach. So basically, if blob approach is there, that means that you can just paste everything from a Google Doc inside the this place, our lesson content, and it will start working. But this image URL you might have to host somewhere. That is not going to be a separate place.
Okay.
That's interesting. Image URL we will have to host somewhere.
We have to keep it in Drive.
Let me check.
You mean keeping the images in Drive, right? When you say host in Drive?
Put in Drive, yes.
Yeah. So, Dhaval, where should we keep? What is the common point? And should we keep these images in a common point? If suddenly somebody deletes, then it's a problem, right? So,
Yeah,
where
it should be in
we
a
keep
place
it?
where it is not easily deletable by
Yeah,
unauthorized.
but then tomorrow when we hand over all this to the teachers, then how should we right now? Supposing Anupama is saving in her personal Whiskits only, but it's personal email ID. Then there is no
Drive, personal Drive.
personal drive. So then when we have to hand over all this to the teachers, when teachers start uploading their stuff and they want to access this, then it will become a problem, right?
So this is in a personal drive.
Yeah, it's
No,
in
no, no. This
Anupama's
needs to
personal.
be in some Purna Chetna common drive or lots common drive.
No, it won't be in lots because this is academic content.
Correct. Then it
Then we
needs.
have to ask Madhurya to give us a folder.
Correct.
Okay.
We need to put it there.
Okay. Then all these URLs will change, Anupama. So,
No, only this part will change. This. Isn't it, Dhavalji?
no, all the images in the lessons also should go in the drive, right?
Yeah. They should not be in a personal folder.
Yeah, we will
Hey,
tell
we
that
wanted to ask
Madhurya ji today
Dhaval
only.
something else, right? What was that? We wanted to ask Dhaval something else. We forgot. Ayyo.
Deletion.
Deletion.
Where is it?
Deletion, yes. That's okay. We posted. So Dhaval, our content is getting deleted. What to do about it? And who can delete?
What's happening? How do you find that?
So she uploaded day two. Day two is not to be seen, and thumbnails for some lesson she has uploaded. Today morning we wanted the thumbnail to experiment something, and when we come back here and see the thumbnail is not there. And this all these lessons were uploaded on 24th when we were in Mysore. We were in Mysore. She was uploading from her home so that we can show it to Madhurya ji. So that's why if you see all the dates are like this. But how day two got deleted, we have no clue. And that's the thing. So now we are
But day
worried
two
a
was
bit.
created. Day two was created through this teacher.
Same day. Same. This ID only.
We have
same
only
day.
one teacher.
Okay.
Shilpa is the only teacher ID we are using. Dhavalji.
Yeah, that cannot be verified without Pratibhaji accessing the database and seeing if it is still there and why it has gone away. Can you go down in this one? Okay, so there are 7 records on this page. Yeah. So we cannot say anything from the UI about that.
No,
Is that?
UI cannot do, but I'm just wondering, and so we are so, Should the login IDs be posted in a group? Should the passwords be posted in a group? That question came.
See, I would say don't worry too much about all those things.
But now
Why?
we are posting the original content, right? If Madhu
Yeah, I'll say why. Okay. Database, whatever changes happen, let's say somebody deletes something, it's always traceable. Okay, so accountability issues, if they arise in future, probably Vijay can take that call in a better way. But if there are serious issues related to any deletions and all, we can always trace them. So I would say don't worry too much about all those
So
things.
are we equipped with that tracing mechanism for our database?
That is something, if it is deleted through API, it will be typically traceable. Okay. Usually even database has logs, but let Shravanji and Vijayji comment on that. They are better,
Yes. Yeah.
equipped on that front. And obviously, yeah, at the end of the day, the system should be designed like anything should be traceable.
Yeah.
And everything has, beyond a point, everything has authorization. So, currently we are based on trust, but future we would definitely want to have that system where only you can create your login ID or only I can create my login ID. Today, this activity is coordinated by Pratibhaji because we don't have a tool for that. But tomorrow we would want to have a situation where you can go to a registration page and create a login ID yourself. Why even we want to, go through this process of centrally coordinating creation of logins.
Okay.
Yeah, because let's say I was in Amazon, there were 500 teams working for thousands of features, right? So every day there cannot be a centralized team creating logins for those teams. Login creation has to be a self-service approach.
Yeah.
So that's what I've proposed, and maybe, once that activity starts going up where we need a lot of logins and things like that, then probably it has to be self-service.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I get it, Dhawal. So maybe Vijayji and Shravanji would also
Correct.
maybe try
Yeah.
to now that
Because
it's good that
Dhavalji,
it came up in the early stages, so they
Yeah.
will be doing something.
because at the end, Dhavalji, we are not going to be the content holders. We will
Yeah.
give this to Purna Chaitanya, and again, they should not come and ask us, no.
Just a minute. Just a minute.
Anything we need to, Anupama from Dhavalji, anything that we need to know?
It is here.
Otherwise, we can ask Dhavalji.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it's done.
Yeah, I think this is the one thing we wanted to learn from you, Dhaval.
Okay.
Dhavalji, now we can upload the production environment link is available.
Once they share the details with you, then you can, but you will also need to provide the images for subjects and lessons, because that is without that, the data set is not complete.
Okay, Dhaval, now that they didn't share, should we share our own? We will only create some random images.
Then
It will be harder for you to test, change it later. Without their help, you will not be able to change, because Opmate is not existing right now. They are all doing these things manually.
Okay.
Yeah, so if you want to change it again, you'll have to reach out to them and they'll have to go
What
into
does Opmate do, Dhaval?
Opmate is supposed to do all these things for you. Like, it is a UI plant where you can go in and specify all the lessons for a teacher, specify all the lesson URL and name and all. Sorry, topic URL and subject URL and all. But right now that is not existent. So that's why they have to do all these things manually.
Okay, got it. So we have
Dhavalji,
to
we
then
have
get
caught
from.
in between.
Sorry?
We have caught in between. We are always asking Madhurya ji, please give, and again coming here and asking, please add, please add. Nothing
That's
is
okay. I think,
going
see, this is
fast.
very initial phase. You all will be fine because very soon after this